seamless process?
Okay, so the good thing about the committee that was instituted is that it's a collation of all the major agencies that deals with some of these data, looking at JAM, for example, NECO, NUC, and the like. So the head of these agencies or representative from these agencies were part of the committee. That would make it easier for them to be able to take feedbacks to their agencies and make sure that their agencies align with the discussions of the committee. And during the meeting, the committee meeting, they will be able to present their own standpoint, looking at it from the committees, from their agency's perspective, and how this data can be harmonized. My major concern actually is, even though this committee tends to be comprehensive, I am just concerned on how they are going to capture data from the informal sector of the informal education sectors, like the Almajiri schools and all those vocational institutions that are not directly under a particular association or a particular agency, or are not being managed by the government. So they will need to think out of the box on how best to be able to capture those in the informal sector, because it's while this initiative is an applaudable initiative, is because of the ability to track a student from primary down to when they even drop out, if that possibility exists. So if someone gets to school now, gets done with his primary school, and the person probably drops out and is unable to further his education in the secondary school, the data bank should be able to capture that possibility. But how about the situation whereby the person now furthers in an informal sector? So that's the reason why the committee will need to think and see how best to include the informal sector in their data. And once the necessary roadmap and design and schematics has been put in place, implementing it shouldn't be an issue, because at that point it would be software developers and IT consultants that would now do the implementations.